Radient Icons is an Android application that offers users a vast library of beautifully designed icons aimed at enhancing the visual appeal of their devices. This app allows users to customize their home screens and app drawers with unique icon packs, providing a fresh and personalized look to their Android experience. The app typically features a wide variety of icon styles, ranging from minimalistic designs to more vibrant and artistic options, catering to diverse aesthetic preferences. Users can apply these icons through supported launchers, allowing for an easy and seamless integration into their existing layouts. Radient Icons often includes regular updates, adding new icons and themes to keep the collection fresh and up to date. Additionally, it may provide a feature for users to request specific icons or submit their design ideas, fostering community engagement. Overall, Radient Icons serves as a valuable tool for individuals looking to express their style and enhance the overall appearance of their Android devices through creative icon customization.